Hello guys, hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. We return again in a new video. We're gonna show you how to know the specification of your PC or laptop. If you wanna of course buy, or you have a laptop and you don't know how the specification in him, how the details about your PC and a lot of stuff. Before this, don't forget to subscribe and follow to give you everything new. So basically, there is the usual method that everyone knows. Okay, like they go here. But before this, don't forget to follow and subscribe and show some love and support for us because it's really help. We go here, the usual thing, propriety. Okay, we see this, a lot of people they do this, and they see what in the PC, like in here, device name, processor name, installed RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, pen and touch, and the kind of Windows, of course here 10 Pro. Okay, I'm gonna show you other method. It is more successful and more knowledgeable, that you're gonna know a lot of stuff of your PC. Before here, we go here. Okay, we click on Windows button and here, of course. Okay, you see here, they will appear here. So we write this thing first. Okay, and we click OK. Now it will show us more details about your PC. Okay, here, current date and time, computer name, operation system, and which byte it is, language, system manufacturer. Okay, BIOS, and the processor, it is Core 10 in E5 generation, E-Sync the third generation here, of course, and the RAM, and a lot of details. Okay, and the second method, we click the same button, Windows R, and we shows the second one. This is one, remember, this is one. Okay, and we click and we go further for more details. Like you see here, there is a lot of details. Okay, support desktop, a lot of things, hardware, virtual memory, everything in details, and the hardware resources and the components. Okay, and the third one. Okay, that's it pretty much. I'm gonna show you about the hardware here. So basically, and the third one, least and last. Okay, about the disk tier, of course, we go here and we go to management, to manage, of course, and we go further do, and we go here to the disk tier, of course, and we're gonna see the system, how the total here is 238.47 gigabytes, of course, and the system C, and this is of course the flash disk. Okay, and a lot of stuff. Okay, disk prioritization here, system, everything is cool, and pretty much this is it, how you know about your PC, a lot of information. And last, without further ado, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more information like this. I wish this will help you to know your PC better, or to know how to buy the right PC for your work. And goodbye and take care and peace. Bye bye.